Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I don't know if you recall my attempt at making some 8-frame boxes. Sort of let it fall by the wayside. But I did get to this point here where I have, I have a deep here, and then I have a super, and the frames fit in. So got a little motivated here with capturing those two swarms to continue. And the next step I wanted to do, which is pretty easy, is the bottom board, relatively easy. So this is what it looks like. I had to search around. I know I had already cut this piece of plywood. Evidently I was using it for painting surface because I got paint on it. But I need to make these side rails, and then it just has a back rail. And I need to, let's see, I need to cut a dado into these. Depending on whether it's an 8-frame or 10-frame, it's a little bit different for the length. So I just cut two 22-inch length pieces by 1 7/8 by 3/4. So that's just from 12 by 3/4 inch pine. And so I'm trying to just figure out, I'm not the best of woodworkers here, but got some equipment, so I just have to cut a dado in this. I was just setting up my router to cut the proper depth on this. So here are the 3 pieces for the bottom board. I have the 3/4 inch plywood I found I had previously cut, and then these 3 side rails. So let's put this one on first. That's the easy one. This here you have to do additional dado like that. Just get a sort of a lap joint there, I guess. And then this goes on like that. And then the box just sits right on there. So it's not a piece of fine furniture, but it'll do. Yeah, so here's the little front porch for a landing pad for the bees. They go in. I still have to make, I guess, just a 3/4 inch reducer here. It's got the dimensions in the book. So I guess I'll use this Gorilla Glue. It says it's indoor, outdoor use. And maybe some nails. So I found these nails are about 1 3/8, and they've got, so they grab. They got those circles on them, ridges. I think I might need to drill a pilot hole though. I don't want to split this. I don't know if I need 2 or 1. Man, that's not going to go anywhere. Then I put a center line down here, indicating the center of the 3/4 inch plywood. And this is just, it's good to secure this for so the set of clamps, so while the glue sets. Well, since I've got the brush and the glue out, might as well glue up the hive bodies. I think there's some controversy on whether you should glue these bodies up. Probably depends whether or not you're a professional operation. Might be easier to repair if you just have to pry them apart and put in new nails, take off the rotted piece or whatever you're trying to do. I don't think hive bodies they take the time to repair them. I think they just replace them. Alright, so I painted up the bottom board and I'm just finishing up on the hive bodies. Here's the super. And I just have to make, well, I have to try making an inner cover and also the top cover, and try bending some aluminum on top of the cover, unless they just make a migratory cover, which is just plywood and then 2 ends of stock to keep the top from warping, I guess. So stay tuned. 8 frame. I need to cut down the 10 frame boxes too. I gotta figure out a way to cut them down to 8 frame boxes. This is New England Gardening. Thanks for watching.